Welcome back to Daytime Live. Somebody ever give you two instructions same time? Go over there, so don't go over there, so. Yeah, man, I like that.
You are
just that. Today, we have Nicole Hibbert and Anika Kubre, who are here with us today to talk about the 2024 installment of the Miss Highgate pageant. Welcome again.
Thank you for having us.
So welcome back.
Yes. All right, so Nicole, let's start with you. Miss Highgate, when did it start and why?
The Miss Highgate pageant, it started in 2017, and you know, it's like, I would put it like this, using one stone and killing two birds.
Love it.
So the one stone would have been Miss Highgate. However, the two birds is a charity event, and it also is a platform for young ladies in and around communities of Highgate to, you know, to showcase their talent, their uniqueness, and to build their self-esteem. So Miss Highgate is a platform that helps with the young girls, and also it's a charity event. And, you know, we started it in 2017, and we kept it for 2 years, COVID, and we started about last year, and now we're bigger and better this year.
Yeah, speaking of bigger and better, what do you have planned for the next staging?
August 1, yeah?
Entertainment. Nothing but good entertainment. Because last year, it was lit. Last year was a talk about. I mean, yes, there was a contestant that came out because we have different wears, and for a career where she did and she's the winner also. That's Ashanti Ferguson. She came out with a casket on stage as a funeral director. That was awesome.
A real,
very creative.
A real casket?
Yes, a real casket.
Did she borrow it?
Well, her response
you don't
was...
have to leave it right there. That's,
you don't want to know where
why?
She got it
I don't know what she bought.
Because dirt was on it.
They don't understand it.
Yeah.
The owner was there or was outside waiting.
I'm done with you. That's very good. That's very creative.
Yes.
And since you mentioned last year's pageant, right, it's time to put Anika in the hot seat because she came third last year. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. So how has third place impacted your life since you've been in the Miss Highgate pageant?
Okay, being placed third in the pageant, it has been an unforgettable experience. Also, the pageant for me, it was more than just a beauty pageant. It was a platform where I was able to showcase my talent. I was able to contribute to the community where, as you heard, it is more than just a pageant. It is a charity event. It has helped me to build my confidence. During our practices, we focused on walking, being poised, and that actually contributed to me entering another pageant which is the Miss St. Mary Festival Queen competition, where I was placed second. I got most poised in that competition, and that was all due to Miss Nicole, who taught me my first T-stance. And at my pageant practices, I would always tell her that, Miss Nicole, you are making such an impact. Even entering another pageant, I would always tell her that what you have taught me, I was able to showcase that. And I would say to any young girls who shy away from entering pageants like this, I would say enter, because it's not just about winning. It is the unforgettable journey and the experiences that you gain throughout the journey.
Wow.
Oh, she
Almost, you know, she caught you.
You get all of that as a part of the promotion for the pageant. That's your eyes. Look at the tears in her eyes.
So you came third in the Miss Highgate.
So yes, I came.
I came second in the
Miss St. Mary
Miss St.
Festival.
Mary.
Festival.
And also last year, I am also the Miss District teen currently.
So you have first, second, and third, right?
Second again, because last year I also entered the Miss St. Mary High competition where I was placed second.
Right, so he's saying you came first in one, you were third in Miss Highgate,
and two second.
And two second.
Right.
Oh. So that's a walker into competition.
Yes, Nicole set her up nice.
So that's a walker. What going on over there?
Yes, I'm coming. Nicole has worked on me. I love it.
Yeah.
But I love that, because when you hear about these competitions empowering women, empowering young girls in different ways, she actually implemented that and has, conquered
Yes.
Because first, second, and you know you look like if they have a daytime live competition right now, Sunny, Kanisha, no problem.
You're always welcome here, Onika.
Thank you.
So I want to talk to some of the ladies in the audience then. Yeah. So you should just get ready in the meantime because we're coming to you. Look at the faces. She doesn't want to talk, you know. When Onika was here last year, she did Shy too. And you see her now? I remember her. All right, you're next.
So, tell us a little bit about yourself. She has a microphone. And tell us how entering this competition is actually helping you.
So, good day, everyone.
You can stand up if you want.
Adrian Gallimore. I am contestant number 6, and I proudly wear the sash Miss Vintage. The Miss Highgate pageant has helped me a lot. It has built my confidence, my self-esteem, and made me into a better person than I was before.
Beautiful. Pass it along. Pass it along.
Let's hear.
She said, no, miss.
She go, no.
Ready? Go right ahead.
Good afternoon.
Hello, darling.
My name is Galen Lindsay. I'm contestant number 5.
And you wear the sash of?
I proudly wear the sash Miss Ferguson Funeral Services.
Okay, what have you been liking about Miss Highgate pageant so far?
So far,
You like the ladies who you're meeting?
yes,
Yeah?
Who's your favorite?
Dijane.
Oh, I thought you were going to
DJ.
say none of them.
DJ.
Okay, beautiful. So you're enjoying every moment of it, right?
Yes.
Very good. Nice to meet
thank
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Everybody like, my time
Go
coming.
right ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Molvia Cameron. I'm 17 years old, and I proudly wear the sash, Miss Galina Chill Spot. So far, the Miss Highgate pageant helped me to share my thoughts through the speech, even though we haven't delivered the speech to the crowd as yet.
Yes.
But so far, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so far, yeah, I like it. All right. We don't have much time.
Right.
We're going to get to the other ladies later, all right? We're going to come back to you later on. So in the meantime, Nicole, really quickly, where can we get the tickets and, of course, social media handle?
All right, so the tickets at Jiba Gas Station, outlets, Jiba Gas Station, Supremacy Ice and Water Store that's in Highgate, Main Street, Highgate, and also Cutie Neil by Cutie, that's around Triple P, around a box of Triple P, so you can get the tickets there. It's $1,500 pre-sold, $2,000 at the gate, kids pay $1,000 at the gate.
Thank you.
Lovely,
So,
lovely.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I like it.
I see somebody who might carry a casket again.
Okay. In the meantime, we're going to take a break here on Daytime Live, but the ladies from Miss Highgate pageant will be staying with us. And guess what? When we come back, we have big things for you, because joining us right here on Daytime Live is the ever elusive for the past 2 years, Mr. Black Hero himself.